Multifamily property management services. With Harland Property Management, a San Diego-based property management firm. At Harland Property Management, we have the expertise to manage properties of all sizes, from 2 to 4 unit duplexes, all the way up to several hundred unit apartment buildings. No matter the size, we're equipped to handle any property you own. Depending on the size of your property, we offer off-site or on-site property management services. In addition, our accounting staff is located in our La Jolla headquarters and manages all accounting, bookkeeping, and financial planning for all our properties. We provide all owners with online access to all accounting and financial data for your property, so you are always in the loop. Furthermore, our comprehensive services cover everything from routine maintenance and 24/7 emergency response to tenant screening, lease management, rent collection, and beyond. We also specialize in creating effective marketing strategies to keep your property competitive in the market, and our local knowledge helps us attract and retain quality tenants. Whether you're dealing with a single building or multiple complexes, our goal is to maximize your investment while overseeing a high standard of living for your tenants. Want more information? If you're a property owner looking for more information on how our comprehensive property management services can help you maximize your investment, please don't hesitate to reach out. Contact us today or visit our website to learn more. We're here to help you every step of the way.